For the next example, select the snippet repetition for loop into a new code pane and save the file in the demo folder as forloop_demo. Here we've set up a numeric array of 7 company names. We've also set the numRows variable to the size of this numeric array, which of course will be 7. Now remember, for the for loop, it executes the first expression exactly once at the start of the process. It then checks to see if the second expression is true, and after it's executed the braced code, it executes the third expression. So as we set out, with II having the value 0, it checks that 0 is less than 7, the numRows, which is true, so it executes the echo, the value of company 0, break. It then executes the third expression, incrementing II by 1, so II now has the value 1. It checks, is 1 less than or equal to 7? Yes, it is, so it executes the braced code again. Company 1, break. And so on until at some point it executes the increment statement and II becomes 8. So it checks, is 8 less than or equal to 7? No, it's not, so the execution stops. If we look at our demo folder and refresh that, we'll see the for loop file which we can execute, and it does exactly as expected, simply prints out the 7 company names with a break after each one.